Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss one function which is called related functions. Actually, a related function is mainly used to fetch the column values from another table. That means, okay, if we need to get the production cost or any other value, I mean production ID, production product name or product ID from the product table. So you can use the related column here. For example, what we can do is here is that we can create profit. Now we are having a revenue column. Now we can create a profit column here. So profit means the revenue minus the production cost. So we don't have the production cost here. So what we need to do is that to get the production cost, we need to go to the product table. And here production cost is there. So what we can do is that we can get this values to the purchase table, but that product cost we need to multiply with the quantity, so that with respect to the quantity of purchase we can get the profit of this. So we are going to create a table where we are going to get the profit. So this table will contain the profit. So writing the profit formula is which will be like, you can create a new column and the column name is profit. So the profit will be revenue minus the production cost. So the revenue minus, so the production cost is, you have to get it from the product table. So you need to give the open brace, and so it should be with respect to the quantity. So quantity which is quantity into, see now itself if you type product, you are not going to get the other table values. So we have to write related. Okay, now we are going to get all the table and the column values which are related to this table. So we can write production cost. So here we are getting the profit with respect to the revenue. We can create the values here. We can show the values in the visualization. So revenue is this much is the revenue, and where's the profit, and this is the profit. So there is another example where everybody will be getting good knowledge about the related table, and that example will be if you take the region table. If you want to calculate the purchase price or the revenue with respect to this region name, what we can do, how we will do, usually we will just write sum of the product purchase price, and price will come here. Okay, it won't come here actually. So we will try that. First we will try the wrong way. We will try to simply get the sum of the purchase price. So revenue 1 we will type revenue 1 is equal to sum of purchase revenue. Okay, we will see what values you are going to get. See, all the values are same value which we are getting. Actually, this is the total revenue. It is not showing the exact value, exact revenue of each region, but it is showing the entire total value to show. So with this sum function, it is difficult to get. We will try to get the next function. What is the next function? That is sum x function. We will try to go for sum x function. Okay. Revenue equals sum x, sum of the table name, purchase. Now we will understand the importance of the related function, because I'm not going to put the related function in this example, so we can see what the value will come. So purchase, and the column name is purchase revenue. So now also you're getting the same column like the previous one. That is what the importance of related function comes. So you have to show to this function that, okay, this table is related to the purchase table. So what we have to do is we have to write the related function here. You have to make this sum x function understand, okay, this purchase table is a related table. So what we do, related table and table name. What is the table name? Purchase. So now we have written, okay, this table is related to this purchase table. So we will try and get the result. Okay, now we are getting the exact result of this. Now we can get the correct formatting also, so we can show it as output also. We can show that as output region name and revenue. So this is the main use of this related table, or related. Both the functions we saw here, we saw related table function, and in the purchase table we saw related function. I hope you understand this related function. We will come with another video with another function. Thank you.